Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Sagittarius, we are picking few cards, guys, and I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So that will be your general guidance. So these are for your general energies. These cards are for your relationship, guys, and these cards are for your career situation. And one card from the Oracle guidance. So this is the card. So we will start the reading with the cards for your general energies, guys. Let's see what it is. We have Hierophant in reverse, Fool and Death. So in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, maybe in your career or it may be in this relationship, you have some great changes going on in your life today, guys. Maybe huge changes in your career situation. Things are maybe whatever was not working for you, some old patterns or your old ways of thinking, or it may be your circumstance that is simply changing to something new, and some kind of irreversible changes are happening today in your situation, guys. Maybe it is giving you sadness, it is making you worry a lot, but you need to understand that these changes are necessary for you all today to progress in life in a very positive way, guys. Sagittarius, that is the reason for these changes happening in your life today. And for some of you, you are even having some addictions, some bad habits maybe. So that is again causing a lot of worries or stress, and maybe in certain things you are quite careless, not responsible. So your careless attitude in career situation, or maybe with this love, maybe with this person, you do not concern yourself too much with them. You stay aloof, you are staying aloof maybe for some of you. So that again may be the reason for some kind of problems or worries. But I see you are a very kind-hearted soul, compassionate soul. Maybe you don't like to indulge too much in other person's affairs. That may be the reason you always stay one step back. You give them freedom, maybe, guys. But this person may think that you are not at all concerned about them, so they are worried. Maybe the reason, maybe you are someone who values other people's space. You give them space, maybe, guys. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So these may be your energy or that person's energy, guys. So let's see what are the cards for your relationship. We picked 3 cards. So it is 6 of Wands in reverse, 6 of Pentacles in reverse, and the Chariot. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, maybe for some of you Sagittarius, you are facing some kind of fears, something is stressing you or worrying you. Maybe things are not going as expected. You feel that you cannot trust them. Maybe you feel lonely because of the way this person is. We saw that energy that this person is staying aloof, not indulging too much maybe, or not giving you any suggestions, and they act like they are not at all concerned about you. So that may be the reason that you feel this way. You feel that they do not care about you and you are lonely. So, some kind of fear or worries about your future together in your situation, guys, Sagittarius. And also, this person, maybe they are very attractive and they have people, what to say, coming towards them based on their physical appearance. Maybe they are generally attracted. Many people are attracted to them, maybe the way they are or their behavior, and you may feel quite jealous because of that. So this may be your energy or their energy. They may have a huge friend circle, so something that is causing a lot of jealousy in you. You are simply envious of this person or they are envious of you, guys. But whatever be the case, Sagittarius, I see that you are going to overcome all these troubles. Maybe these are just assumptions on your part. Maybe you feel that your person, they have someone else, they are attracted to many people, but in truth they are in love only with you, and they want to give you space or freedom, and you need to understand that, guys, because freedom is love. And you are concerned because you feel that they are not what to say, indulging in anything concerned with you. Maybe they want to give you space. That may be the reason, guys. So let's see what are the cards for your career situation, guys, Sagittarius. We have Queen of Swords, Seven of Pentacles, and Four of Wands in reverse. So these cards may be in reverse, guys, but some things are going in a very positive way. Maybe you are celebrating some new beginning in your career, and you are someone who is dedicated, devoted, and who has the skills and talents to make things go in the right way, guys, Sagittarius. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. Let's see what is your wisdom oracle guidance. We have the message in a bottle. It is a very auspicious card here, guys. It just means that universe or God or that higher spirit, whatever you call it, that is guiding you, pointing the way for your highest good, guys. So you should be ready to what to say, allow yourself to understand whatever the signs are being shown to you. So maybe today you will get some kind of an email or a letter, some positive news coming in your situation, and only good things are going to happen today, guys, Sagittarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.